these broken pieces will be scattered in the wind. We put up with it for far too long. Some people change when they grow old, but I don't want to say that you've been wrong, because I'm not that bold. I can see it all so clear. We're just broken people. We'll be scattered in the
Good morning, guys. How you doing? I got up and watered all the plants this morning, and I'm going for a bike ride, and then I'll go for a walk this evening. Seems like that's my routine. Kind of like it. It warmed up quick. It was like 68. I don't know what it is now. It feels 72. So yeah, I had my sweater on. Don't have it on. Go for a walk. And I did almost 5 miles. By the time I get home, it'll be 5 miles. So I didn't go to Bear Creek today, so I didn't see the ducks. So I'm going to sit here at the park and drink my water and then go home and start my day. Okay, guys, I have been doing a lot of things, but I still am not as productive as I want. So today I decided at 8 o'clock I'm turning that TV off. I've been sitting on the couch way too much watching YouTube in the mornings and not getting my day started early enough. So here's my to-do list. I actually want to go to Home Depot today so I can finish that landscaping. That still hasn't happened. Yeah, actually that didn't happen in this video either, but I got some stuff done. I'm going to do the dining room and finish that hutch that I started the other day. If you missed that video, I'll put a link down below. Okay, today I am working in Zone 3. That was supposed to happen Tuesday, but it didn't. So today is Thursday, and I'm just showing you the state of Zone 3 from the last time. Not too bad. It hasn't really gotten too messy. But I am going to just mostly concentrate on the hutch today. And yeah, that one box from the one box challenge still sitting there. That needs to go to the Goodwill. So I washed most of these dishes in the dishwasher and hand washed a few things. There's still a load in the dishwasher now, I believe. And yeah, Chewy, I don't know where he went to. He's lost. I don't know. So yeah, everything is pretty clear except for, yeah, this got messed up again. What can I say? It happens. It'll get cleaned up. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to clear out the rest of the things in the hutch and get them in the dishwasher and finish those dishes up, and then clean the inside, Windex and polish. Well, use the wood cleaner to clean the inside of the hutch, and use Windex to do the mirrors and the doors. This is something that I don't really do that often, so it's perfect for spring cleaning to do this. And I'm using the rest of my 7th generation wood cleaner. Yes, in the last video I was using the Method Wood for Good cleaner, but I still had a little bit of the 7th generation, and I'm really bad about buying new products and then not finishing up what I had left. So I'm going to try to do that, and I'm just cleaning up all the wood with that. And I'm not going to polish it. I'm just going to clean it with the wood cleaner. Next time I do the hutch, I'll use the wood polish. So I don't usually do this every spring. Actually, it has been a couple years since I've done that. If I use the dishes inside of the hutch, I will wash them as I'm going to use them. But it was really a lot of pollen this year, and I just wanted to go ahead and get in there and get it cleaned, even though they weren't that bad, because, you know, I do have the doors on there, but it still needed cleaned. There was some pollen residue on some of those, and plus the ones that were on the table in the dining room from Christmas. So those all needed to be washed and put back in there. And these are the blue paper towels that I've been talking about that you can get in the automotive section. You also can get them on Amazon. I will put the link down below. So they just work really well for mirrors and windows. So I only use 2 paper towels for this whole hutch. I use one for wet. So when I wetted it, I used the 1 paper towel, and then I had another paper towel to dry, because you can't seem to get the streaks out with the wet paper towel, and there still was streaks. That annoys me. I don't know. I did the best I could, and I'm sure it looks fine.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces will be scattered.
Now these dishes, this little tea set, was from my father-in-law. I believe he got it in Japan when he was stationed over there. So they are so very delicate, and actually some of the pieces have little chips and broken pieces on it. I don't know. I've broken a piece of it before, so I'm even afraid to go ahead and hand wash them. So I'm not going to do that today, maybe on another day, but I am moving them over so I can clean the shelf that they were on and put everything back.
But I don't want to say that you've been wrong, because I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it also.
And I just wanted to let you know that, guys, I don't do everything in one full swoop. I break it up. I just cannot do everything all at once. And I do try to put timestamps and on the videos and tell you what day it is, because sometimes videos are several days and I don't do everything all in one day. And you'll see in this video that I don't get it done as much as I want, and I end up taking a nap later. So I just wanted to let you know that. I know on Monday's video there was a lot of people commenting about that they were glad to know that I don't do everything all at once. That makes them feel that they are not alone. And sometimes I forget to say that. So, but just know from this point forward, no, I do not do everything all at once. Yeah, I take many breaks, and sometimes things are broken up into several days. Like I started this hutch the other day. Go watch that video. And yeah, what was that, like a week ago? And yeah, I just can't do it all. I'm almost 60. Don't like saying that, but yeah, I'm 56 going on 57, and I just don't have as much energy as I used to. You just have to take it little by little, bit by bit.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it.
Okay, I've been standing on my feet for quite a while, and I can feel that I need to take a break now. So I'm going to go have some lunch, and I'm going to use my massager, and that really helps get the blood circulation glowing, and then I can come back and do some more later.
Pieces will be scattered in the wind.
Okay, I put one more load of dishes in the dishwasher so I can put those dishes back in the hutch. And something that I have not been doing for like over a month, if not more, is making green smoothies. So today is the day I need to get back on track. I am walking, I am riding my bike, and so I need to really do that. And I can feel my inflammation coming back. Do you guys take turmeric? I realize that I have not taken my turmeric for like a couple of days, and I think it really made a difference. So the last couple of days, I made sure I was taking my turmeric supplement, and my inflammation is going down. But definitely the green smoothies will help, and so will the massager. Okay, I watched one video and I'm gonna have some soup, but first I went ahead and hand washed some of the bigger items, and now I'm having some zuppa toscana that is left over from last night's dinner, and watching one more video and then get started again. I actually am not. I'm closing up shop, and I will maybe do that later after I take a shower. We shall see. I did want to go to Home Depot, but actually that didn't happen. I actually decided to lay down in the bed for a little bit with hubby while he was working in there, taking calls and meetings, and I fell asleep. So it is much later now, and I need to make dinner And yeah. Okay, dinner is just going to be steak and salad and baked potato. That won't take long. So hubby and I are going to go for a walk before we have dinner. But first, I'm going to go ahead and start putting a few things back. I don't know if I'll finish. Probably not. And back in the hutch. And I'm going to rearrange them and put them back differently than I had them set up before. Again, don't forget to watch Sunday's Spring Into Clean video. It is a collab with a bunch of other YouTubers. I posted one video last Monday, and that was the kitchen. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And again, I will put a little clip at the end of that video and show you the finished hutch, set it up, how I decorated it, etc. Okay, that's as far as I got. I will try to show the finished hutch in Sunday's video. Stay tuned for that. Hubby and I went for a little walk and saw a beautiful sunset. That's it, guys. Until next time, enjoy your day. Like dragging hubby up the hill. We're gonna go, so? There's nothing. Maybe. Actually, it's not that bad. I used to get really winded when I climbed up this hill. Huh? If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you comment below, it helps out my channel too. If you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. And those 2 videos you see down below, click those. You can watch those now.